Hi guys, this is Ms. Mendoza. Today we are going to work on our very first digital lesson over perimeter. Materials needed for this lesson. For this lesson you will need 2 sheets of paper and a pencil. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. We use perimeter when we are measuring the outside of a certain space. Learning objective. Today I will determine the perimeter of squares and rectangles. A rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides and is a quadrilateral. A square has 4 equal sides and is a quadrilateral. Perimeter formulas. Length plus width plus length plus width, or 2L plus 2W for a rectangle. Length plus width plus length plus width, or 4S for a square. These are some real-life examples of perimeter. Can you think of any other real-life examples of perimeter? Vocabulary. Perimeter, the distance around the shape. Length, the longer dimension of an object. Width, the shorter dimension of an object. Unit of measurement, a certain quantity of a unit such as inches, feet, yards, or miles. I am going to determine the perimeter of this rectangle. I can determine the perimeter of this rectangle by using the formula length plus width plus length plus width. 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 equals 30. The perimeter of this rectangle is 30 inches. I can also use the formula 2L plus 2W. 10 times 2 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. Once again, the perimeter of this rectangle is 30 inches. I am now going to determine the perimeter of this square. I can determine the perimeter of this square by using the formula length plus width plus length plus width. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 28 feet. The perimeter of this square is 28 feet. I can also use the formula 4S to determine the perimeter of the square. 7 times 4 is 28. Once again, the perimeter of the square is 28 feet. Guided practice. Let's practice determining the perimeter of the figures together. Get a sheet of paper and a pencil. Put your name, date, and title as seen in the example. I will give you 30 seconds to get your paper ready. Go! Guided practice. You will have 30 seconds to complete each question. If you need more time, hit the pause button. After you complete each question, we will review together. Practice number 1. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? You will have 30 seconds to complete this question on your own first. Go! The perimeter of this rectangle is 52 inches because 20 times 2 equals 40 and 6 times 2 equals 12. 40 plus 12 equals 52. Practice number 2. What is the perimeter of the square? You will have 30 seconds to complete the question on your own first. Go! The perimeter of the square is 48 centimeters because 12 times 4 is 48, or 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 48. Practice number 3. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? You will have 30 seconds to complete this question on your own first. Go! The perimeter of the rectangle is 62 feet because 18 times 2 is 36, 13 times 2 is 26, and 36 plus 26 equals 62. Practice number 4. What is the perimeter of the square? You will have 30 seconds to complete this question on your own first. Go! The perimeter of the square is 84 inches because 21 times 4 equals 84. And 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21 equals 84. Independent practice, or DOL. It is now time to work on your own. You will complete the 8 problems on the next slides by yourself. Get your second sheet of paper and put your name, date, and title. I will give you 30 seconds to get your paper ready. Go! Independent practice. You will have 45 seconds to complete each question. If you need more time, hit the pause button. Once you have completed all questions, give your paper to your parent. Practice number 1. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Go! Practice number 2. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? You have 45 seconds to complete this question. Go! Practice number 3. What is the perimeter of the square? You have 45 seconds to complete this question. Go! Practice number 4. What is the perimeter of the square? You have 45 seconds to complete this question. Go! Practice number 5. Jason walked around a rectangular path in the park. The length of the path is 38 yards and the width is 15 yards. What is the perimeter of the path? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Go! Practice number 6. A teacher placed border around the square bulletin board in her classroom. The length of one side of the bulletin board is 14 feet. What is the perimeter of the bulletin board? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Go! Practice number 7. Martin placed a rectangular fence around the pool in his backyard. The length of the fence is 24 feet and the width is 16 feet. What is the perimeter of the fence? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Go! Practice number 8. Isabel built a square table. One side of the table is 32 inches long. What is the perimeter of the table? You have 45 seconds to answer this question. Go! Thank you. Thanks for completing this lesson. Fourth grade owls, be sure to come back for our next digital lesson. Do you want to practice more perimeter? Be sure to log on to Boom. You have lots of cards on perimeter and lots of other topics waiting for you. See you later. Bye.